Hey Geek, so if you are thinking about traveling, especially to Southeast Asia, East Asia, from a country like the United States, you might be wondering whether or not it is safe to do so. Because if you've never done this before, there's probably a lot of things that you don't know of and that you have to prepare for before you go. And for me, I actually traveled around 9 months in Southeast Asia and Japan, and it was the best experience and still is the best experience that I've ever had. And I'm going back more often, just back and forth between here and the United States. But with all of that being said, the really short answer is yes, but there's one thing that you definitely need to be aware of, and that's basically all the rules, specifically immigration rules that they have in each country. Because if you are from the United States, you have a very, very valuable passport, because the United States passport gives you a lot of flexibility to travel all around the world. And that's simply not the case for many other people in other countries. And honestly, if you've never done international travel, you won't know how valuable your passport is until you actually do something like what I've done. And before I went, I tried to do as much research as possible. And I think that is something that all of you should do if you are going to be doing this for the first time, because, well, you are going to a different country. It's not just the fact that you're going to a different place with different cultures, currencies, and everything else. It is a completely different country. And I don't think people understand that until they actually go to these other countries and they experience it for themselves. Because even though you can watch a lot of videos on YouTube, other places on the internet like I did, the fact of the matter is, until you're actually there, you really don't know how it's going to affect you until you've experienced it yourself, because everybody's experiences is different. But the one thing that does remain the same is whatever rules and laws that are there at the time that you're going to go travel, that's the rules and laws at that time. However, whenever you do go there, especially if you're going to be planning to stay longer, things can change and change real quick. One good example is last year in 2025, whenever I went back to Laos in Southeast Asia, there was a conflict that was going on with Cambodia and Thailand. And because of that, there were certain restrictions or problems that people encountered whenever they were traveling to certain parts of Thailand or Cambodia. And for even some people in Laos, they were having issues, and obviously people from other countries as well. And so those things can definitely develop, because things obviously change all the time. And so you're gonna have to do the best that you can to actually be aware of these changes to immigration, because unlike your native country, and especially if you never traveled outside, there could be serious consequences if you actually violate these laws, whether you get kicked out or worse yet, get put in jail, or even worse situations where it's definitely not safe for you to be there. And so those are the things that I want to point out as somebody who's actually done this and continues to go back and forth. In general, it is quote unquote safe for you to go to Southeast Asia and East Asia, but you do definitely need to be aware as much as possible of the current immigration laws and a general idea of what's going on in those countries, so that you can have the best overall experience whenever you go there. So if you actually had any thoughts on any of these travel items or travel tips, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire travel journey, I will leave an entire playlist in the description area below or up here.